Okay, good evening. Welcome to Math for Kids number
128.
Hey, do you know what's special about 128?
No.
It's a power of 2. Do you know what power of 2 it is? 2 to what number is 128?
2 to the 7th.
2 to the 7th. That's exactly right. Okay, today we're going to look at kind of a fun problem. We're going to take a look at what is the probability of when you draw 3 cards. Haha, it worked. You get 3 reds. Okay?
That was funny, it worked.
That's funny, it worked. Okay. Shuffle up again. Maybe it won't work this time. Okay, so it didn't work that time. So we're going to look at what the probability is if you have a shuffled deck, which we had, that you get 3 reds. So we just learned that it could actually happen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's more than 3 reds because the order is going to matter. Let me get a couple of red cards. So I'm gonna treat getting them in this order: Queen, 8, 2, is being different than if it was 8, Queen, 2. Okay? Because it's just a tiny bit harder if you want to always count any arrangement of these as being different. So we're going to do it in order. So different orders mean different things, okay? Okay. So the first question is, what is the probability of the first card being red? What do you think?
Half the time.
Okay, why is that?
Because half the cards are red, half the cards are black.
Okay, how many red cards are there?
It's 26.
There's 26 out of how many?
52.
52, which is exactly 1/2. Okay? Now, what's the probability that if the first card's red, that the second card's red?
Second card red.
Okay, so if you get a red card on the first try, what's the probability that you get a red card on the second try?
It's also half the time. Actually, no, it's a little less than half.
Why is it a little less than half?
Because there's one less red card.
Okay, so how many red cards are there?
There's 25.
25. And how many total cards are there?
51.
51. Okay. And what's the probability that the third card is going to be red?
24 50ths.
24 out of 50. Okay. So in order to figure out what the probability of getting 3 red cards in a row, first card red, second card red, third card red, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply these together. Okay, so we're going to take, hold on one second, 1/2, whoa! Sorry, I almost dropped the pen. We're going to take 26 out of 52 times 25 out of 51 times 24 out of 50. Now, this looks like a nightmare to multiply out, right? But there's actually some simplifications we can do. 26 out of 52 is equal to what?
Half.
1/2. Now, do you see what other easy simplifying step we can take multiplying these fractions together?
We can do 24 over 50 can be simplified.
24 over 50 could be simplified, but what else could we do to make an even simpler situation?
We could say 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 minus...
No. What can we do to make this 25 times 24 over 51 times 50 even simpler? Yes, you can simplify 24 over 50, but
we can flip them, and this becomes 1/2. So we get 24 over 51.
24 over 51 times 25 over 50. Just flip because when you're multiplying, you can multiply in any order. So 25 over 50 becomes 1/2. So this is 1/2 times 1/2 times 24 over 51. Now, can this be simplified?
What's a 1/4 times 24 over 51?
Which is equal to what?
Gotta figure out what 51 times 4 is.
No, well, it's 1/4 times 24 over 51.
We're gonna do 24 fourths, which is 6.
Okay, so we get 1/4 times 24 over 51, which equals 6 over 51. Can that be simplified?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because no, it can't actually.
Sure it can.
Oh yeah.
How can it be simplified?
You can do 6 over 51 can be simplified as
What is 6?
6 is 2 times 3
2 times 3. What is 51?
over 51 is 17 times 3
17 times 3. So the fraction 6 over 51 equals what?
equals 2 17ths.
2 17ths. That's interesting. So 2 17ths of the time, we're going to get
3 reds.
3 reds in a row. So it's actually pretty rare that we got it at all on the first time. If you do it 17 times, you should only get it twice. We got it on our first try by luck. That's pretty good. You want to see if we can get it again, shuffling up the cards?
Yep.
Okay, let's see. So it should take between 8 and 9 tries. Nope. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Nope. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Think we're gonna get this time? Nope. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Nope. We haven't even gotten 3 blacks, have we?
No.
Was that, how many tries was that? 4 tries?
5.
I wasn't paying attention. Anyone paying attention how many tries that was?
Yeah.
This is gonna be hard. 2 out of 17 times you should get 3 red cards. No?
Pair of 3s though.
Pair of 3s. Oh, I thought we were gonna do it. Come on, shuffle, 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 shuffle. Oh, there it is.
There's 1.
Yeah, that's how we were trying to do, is get 3 reds. So we got it. I don't know how many times that was, but if you're watching the movie, you can go back and count. So that's pretty neat. So just simple probability, just by counting, that the first time we had a half chance, the second time we had 25 over 51, and the third time we had 24 over 50, and that worked out to be 2 out of 17 tries. So that's pretty neat, isn't it?
Yep.
All right, good job. Good job tonight, honey.